Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's a cool video idea to promote your products this Black Friday. Clip 1. Take a video of your hand picking up an object. Clip 2. Take a picture of your phone with the green screen. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your product video into InShot. Tap PIP and import the green screen photo. Tap Autofill to fit to screen and press the arrow to extend it to the end of the clip. Press Cutout and Chroma to remove the green screen. Adjust the strength and shadows. Tap PIP and import the same video. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Press Cutout to remove the background, and you'll get something like this. Here are the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.